Guyana Rice Development Board has invested $110 million for the establishment of a state-of-the-art seed cleaning facility at the Burma Rice Research Station in Region 5.
The seed cleaner equipment cost $99.3 million, while renovation to the existing building was completed for $10.4 million. Minister of Agriculture, the Honorable Noel Holder, addressing the gathering at the commissioning ceremony on Wednesday, said the 10-ton modernized seed cleaner will continue to provide good quality seeds, noting that better quality seeds increase yield by 10 to 15%.
The new seed cleaning facility will provide greater efficiency in the operations of seed cleaning of the various varieties produced at the rice station.
The new high-quality system will allow the Burma Rice Research Station to clean seeds that it produces at a faster rate, thus reducing extended working hours. Reporting for InfoHub, I am Kelon Rover.